Super fan po siya ng Cheaters.
Fan ng theaters, mga musical.
Tapos po, nagduduet po sila ni Princess at saka ni Glenn. And ang ganda po ng blend ng ng voices nila.
Sample.
Fairness po yan.
Let it go! Let it go! Let it go! Let it go!
Hindi nga siya si Glenn.
Aray mo! Bakak!
Alam kong kahit 25 pesos lang yung mga Nissin wafers dyan sa labas, binibenta niya yan sa akin 50.
Grabe naman yung kabalditahan mo. 24/7. Walang pahinga. Di ka ba karmahin yan?
Pero binibili ko pa rin kasi mahal na mahal ko si Clarice. Thank you, Clarice. Love you.
Spill the tea. T-E-A.
Spill the tea. Anong pwede niyong i-reveal about our debutant?
Oh my God. Marami po kasing pwede i-reveal pero marami din po hindi po pwedeng sabihin.
So, ano yung pwede mong i-splok ngayon?
So, yung masasabi ko lang, ano muna tayo, discuss muna tayo.
Super fan po siya ng Cheaters.
Fan ng theaters, mga musical. Ano yung parang pinaka-favorite niya sa lahat? Parang madalas mo naririnig.
I think Hamilton.
Hamilton.
Opo, palagi, kapag may nagdadala po ng speaker, palagi niya nire-request na mag-play po ng Hamilton song.
Oh.
Tapos po, nagduduet po sila ni Princess at saka ni Glenn. And ang ganda po ng blend ng voices nila. Lalo na po yung kay Glenn.
Sample.
Po yan.
Let it go! Let it go! Ay, di pa
Hindi nga siya si Glenn.
Kasi ba pag si Glenn yan, may high note, may dance, ano po siya, all around.
Hindi ka nga talagang hit the notes.
Cheaters.
So sir, ano pang pwede nating i-reveal?
Siguro, every free time, mahilig siya kumuha ng tablet. Specifically, yung tablet ko.
Ano ginagawa niyo sa tablet?
Nanonood siya ng any TikTok, YouTube. Basta every free time o pag slow yung discussion.
So ano
Nanonood siya ng TikTok habang nagkikem.
Oh, yun.
Tama nag-game.
Tapos ano po, nakikita ko na lang po, si Ernest ginagano si Clarice. Kasi kinukuha niya talaga yung tablet, tsaka yung iPad ko rin po, nagnonood po siya ng lahat. Basta po pag may tablet, dapat itago kay Clarice.
Si Clarice po, madali lang po siyang nakawan ng candy.
Yeah, boy.
Kasi nagbebenta po siya ng grade 11. So kumukuha po ako ng isa lang kasi.
Napakatapang muna tao. Bilib ako sa kakayahan mo. Pero hindi makakalagpas sa akin yan.
Isang candy lang para maganahan ako sa klase. Nung FEU po, work immersion namin. Yung mga activities po namin sa FEU work immersion.
Pwede ba ilayo mo sa akin to? Ayoko makita ito.
Tumitingin po kami. Collaboration po yung buong FEU team ng Tisay. So, kami po ni Clarice, nakiki-collaborate lang po kami, brainstorming with the other groups.
Pwede na!
Lagi.
Kinukuha kayo ng idea doon.
Yes po. Yun lang po yung idea. Ay, idea lang ba? Meron pa. Yun lang sabihin natin.
Okay.
Well, wala namang secret, no? Pero talaga namang very smart si Clarice. So, talaga nag-excel siya sa school. And both parents, very proud sa kanya when it comes to academics. Tsaka ang bait-bait na anak. So, yun yung lagi nilang napagmamalaki.
How about you? Nung nagkakasama kayo pag may events, ano yung pwede mong i-reveal sa atin about our debutant?
She's a very fun person to be around. We would always run around the office even when we were like kids. It was a very good experience.
So, meron ka bang parang childhood memory with her na talagang tumatak sa'yo?
We were doing arts and crafts at some point for an event in an office.
Kasi si Clarice is an artist rin, tama po?
Of them.
Both of you. Okay.
Clarice, alam mo, thank you kasi kung wala ka nung grade 11, feeling ko namatay na ako sa gutom. Kasi kasi si Clarice kasi maraming baon yan. Yung baonan niya, sobrang daming laman.
Smells like my nan's toe. Like I wouldn't even trade it for that. Dirty things like not even vacuum. How in the avocado frick did he?
Na hindi naman niya kinakain. So binebenta niya yun. Tapos alam kong kahit 25 pesos lang yung mga Nissin wafers dyan sa labas, binebenta niya yan sa akin 50.
Aray ko!
Pero binibili ko pa rin kasi mahal na mahal ko si Clarice. Thank you, Clarice. Love you.
So, pala siya? Business-minded. Oo, mautak. Kaso tubong lugaw. Doble yung presyo.
Okay lang naman po na hindi naman na po ako gutom pagkatapos.
Napufulfill naman yung yung hunger mo. Ikaw naman.
Core memory ko with you, Clar, is yung debate natin sa AP back in grade 10. Tayo yung magkasunod nun, opposing teams, and then tawang-tawa si sa'yo the whole class kasi para ka talagang rapper magsalita.
Kapit mo, wag na kaming idamay-damay kung ano-anong ginagawa niyang mga istorya para sa aming pamilya dahil hindi kami nakikialam sa buhay niyong mag-asawa kahit kapatid ko.
Dire-diretso ka, hindi ko na alam sasabihin ko pagkatapos. Ngayon naman, ginagamit na natin yung rapping skills nating dalawa para mang-away ng ibang tao.
So, pala siya? Secret niya pala ang talent na pagiging rapper. Lalo na kapag debate.
Very rapper yan si Clar.
So kapag nag-debate kayo, lagi ba nananalo si Clarice sa argument?
Yeah, kami nanalo nun.
Congrats. Okay, ikaw naman, sir.
Si Clarice ay isang napakatalino at napaka-creative na estudyante. Clarice, sana alam mo na kung wala ka, hindi ako nakapasa ng grade 12 dahil sa iyong napakatalinong utak at napaka-creative na skills upang tumulong sa sa iyong mga klase at sa iyong mga kaibigan. Clarice, alam mo na yon, napakatalino mo. Naregaluhan pa kita ng friction pen. Thank you.
Parang yung doon sa message niya, parang nabibyo ko na alam yung palabas yung Thai. No.
Sige, so di naman to nung Falcon days pero nung high school na pero we were still in the same friend group nun and we used to call her the shin taker. Like,
Shin taker?
Because back in LM she always used to kick people in the shin.
Yes.
I was a victim of that.
One more time, ready?
Everyone was a victim of that, so we used to call her the shin taker because she would always try to take our shins and kick us there.
One of my core memories was when she used to draw yung mga little stories na pinaplano namin back in LM. So that was funny.
For me naman po, it was before the pandemic. Sinabi niya po sa akin to. She used to make gacha videos and she used to post it sa YouTube po.
Used to watch?
YouTube po, gacha videos.
Gacha videos. Okay. Ikaw muna, ma'am.
Hindi po siya ganun ka-secret, pero obsessed po siya sa isang character po sa Haikyuu.
Obsessed sa isang character na?
Si Kenma po.
Kelma ng?
Kenma po. Haikyuu po, yung
Haikyuu anime.
So, every night po kasi nagsisendan po kami ng streaks sa TikTok and madalas po siya nagsisend ng parang edits po kay Kenma. And like yung mga fanfiction po na kasama po si Kenma.
Sa akin naman po, she was notoriously known sa LM niya for being a shin breaker.
Shin breaker, oo nga. Na-mention nga kanina yun, oo.
I mean,
nadala ba niya yun nung high school?
Hindi naman. Kasi tahimik po siya.
So I think medyo open secret pa naman to. Pero nung around grade 9 po siya, she used to have a candy business po. So from what I remember, may iba po siyang price depende po sa candy na binibenta niya. So very business-minded din po yung debutant po namin ngayon.
Ano yung pinakamahal niyang candy na binibenta?
Ano ba yun? Ilang taon na po yun. Pero typically pag mas malaki po, ayun, mas mahal po siya.
So, familiar ka naman sa mga pricing talaga nun. And yung pricing ni Clarice, makatarungan ba?
Makatarungan naman po, opo. I believe in her pricing.
Alam mo ba na dahil sa pagbebenta niya nung high school, kaya siya nakapag-debut?
Yes! I'm so proud of her talaga. Yes po, Clarice.
Dahil sa savings niya.
Yes, ituloy mo lang yan, Clarice. Kayang-kaya mo yan.
Okay, so what will be your quick message about to our debutant?
Mag-oracle tayo.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, Clarice.
Emmanuel.
Madrid.
We
Love.
You.
so
Much.
and we
Thank
You.
for
your
Time.
and
effort.
For.
being
The
Best.
classmate
ever.
And.
Congrats for your 18th birthday and sana no more issues na mangyari sa iyo in the future. Happy 18th womb eviction day po, Clarice. I hope that you can stay vibrant and colorful as you grow up and mature.
Always, stay humble and you're a very sweet person, so very friendly as well. So we always wish you good health and many more blessings.
I really hope that your future will be really good because I know that you're really smart and I've always seen you as a great person. Overall, just have a great time in your life.
Alam ko kahit di na tayo ganun ka-close ngayon, I'm still glad that you invited me to your debut, and I want you to know that you contributed greatly to shaping me into the best version of myself today. I'm proud to call you my friend. So thank you so much for everything, Clarice, and to many years to come, happy birthday.
For me po, Clarice, I'm very glad na nandito ako ngayon and to be part of your celebration here with you. And, you know, good health, happiness, and kita-kits ulit tayo sa UPTC when we go to college.
Clarice, you're one of the most kindest people I've ever met, and I'm just really glad you invited me, even though we don't talk that much. I just want to say that you're the sweetest person, and that I hope you have many happy days to come. Happy birthday po.
Nasabi ko naman na to sa'yo, pero please, huwag ka munang magpakulong. Dapat sabay po tayo.
Trio din.
Opo, sabay po dapat kami.
So, Clarice, I'm so happy that I get to be part of your special day. I'm so happy that I get to see you flourish even more than you already have. And I really just can't wait to see what 18 has ahead of you. So, I'm really glad that I'll be able to be there and I'll be able to see it.
Happy 18!
Bye-bye. Sasabihin mo lang, happy 18! 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy 18!
Happy 18th, Clarice!
Happy 18th, Clarice!
Happy 18th, Clarice!
Happy 18th!